Hi, my name is Teresa Fischer, and I'm with the State Department of Commerce, and we are the state agency that has a primary responsibility for regulating insurance in the state of Minnesota. And I'm unpopular because I have to tell people that, generally speaking, we don't regulate the rates of your insurance policies.
This is questions for Teresa. So I know you don't set rates, especially personally, but what is the state doing to protect us as HOA members? And what I mean by that is to ensure that we have enough insurance companies in the marketplace so that there isn't effectively a monopoly created, making it an even worse situation for us.
Yeah, it's a good question, and it's a tough question because what we're talking about is the commercial market, and as Eric's discussed, and the general nature of the commercial market, I think the philosophy has been that each risk is different. It's such a broad issue. People have different knowledge and different resources in the commercial market versus the personal market. That in effect, the commercial market, as far as rates and forms in Minnesota, is highly unregulated. They're not required to file any forms with us. They're not required to file any rates with us. And as such, we can't keep an eye on rates or the escalation of rates or who's in the market or who's not in the market. So it puts us in a really difficult position because it's all swirling around us and we have concerns about your ability to obtain insurance and for a healthy market. And we're basically hands off. There are no statutes in place regarding any reporting within this market, whether someone's entering or exiting the market, which is the kind of thing we hear on the personal homeowner side. If somebody's exiting a market, they give us notice. But on the commercial side, nothing's coming to us. And so what I recommend is you all talk to your elected representatives and maybe do some internet research or talk to attorneys as to what could there be to help protect the market. On the personal homeowner side, it's a little different. They're required to file forms, and forms are approved by the department. They're required to file rates before use, and technically rates are not approved by the department, but they are required to let us know what the rates are and how much they've gone up or down. The slight protection on the personal market side of it, if rates are proposed to be increasing by more than 25% in a year, the department may hold a rate hearing to determine whether or not it's justifiable, that increase. That doesn't apply to the commercial market at all right now. So it is highly unregulated as far as rates, who's in the market, who's not in the market in Minnesota. And I just want to let everybody know, if you want to call about who's that guy or if you have questions, we do have a phone number that I'll give you right now. It's available on our website, but rather than people go look it up, it's 651-539-1600, and you can use it if you have problems with the claim, if you want to check out an insurance agent. You have other questions as to what laws might exist. We don't give out legal opinions or legal advice. That's what attorneys are for. But if you need a little help, you want to know how to file a complaint, you know, our average complaint is somebody saying, I went to my insurance agent, I thought I was getting X, Y, Z. We filed a claim and now they're not taking the way I thought it is. Not unusual at all. So my recommendation on all your policies, write down what you need, write down what you want, review it with the agent. And after you get your policy, sit down with your agent again and make sure you got what you thought you got. Give them some examples of, if my claim is X, Y, Z, what should I expect to see?